Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and quietly asked yourself, when did my skin start looking like this? Not angry, not dramatic, just honest. For many seniors over 60, that moment comes slowly. One day the skin feels drier than usual. Another day, it looks dull. Then fine lines begin to sit longer on the face, especially around the eyes and mouth. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Here at No Pill Zone, I spend every week studying natural, safe ways seniors can support their skin without harsh products or expensive treatments. And today, I want to walk you through something simple, gentle, and very realistic, using ingredients many of you already have at home: ginger, lemon peel, aloe vera, and rice. Nothing extreme, nothing aggressive, just support. Let's start with ginger. Most people think of ginger only as food or tea. But ginger has another quality that aging skin appreciates. It gently encourages circulation. As we grow older, blood flow to the skin naturally slows down. That's one of the reasons skin can look pale, tired, or lifeless. Ginger helps wake things up gently. For seniors over 60, ginger is known for helping skin feel warmer, more comfortable, and more alive. It can help calm puffiness, support a healthier-looking tone, and bring a natural glow back over time. Not overnight miracles, just gradual improvement. Ginger is also rich in antioxidants. These help protect the skin from everyday stress that can speed up aging. And when ginger is infused slowly into oil, the skin can absorb it more comfortably than harsh creams. Now let's talk about lemon, but not the way most people do. We're not using lemon juice. Lemon juice can be too strong for mature skin. What we focus on instead is lemon peel, the yellow outer layer. That is where the natural oils and vitamin C are found. Vitamin C plays an important role in skin health, especially for seniors. As we age, collagen production slows down. Collagen is what helps skin stay firm and elastic. When it decreases, wrinkles deepen and skin can begin to sag. Lemon peel provides a gentle, natural form of vitamin C that helps support collagen activity over time. It also helps brighten the skin and gently remove dull surface cells, making the face look fresher without harsh scrubbing. Another benefit many seniors appreciate is that lemon peel has mild antibacterial properties that can be helpful for skin that becomes more sensitive or reactive with age. Now we add aloe vera. Aloe is something many seniors already trust. You may have used it years ago for sunburns, but aloe does much more than that. For skin over 60, aloe provides deep hydration without heaviness. It soothes irritation, calms redness, and helps the skin feel comfortable again. Aloe also contains natural enzymes that support gentle skin renewal. That's important because older skin doesn't recover the way it used to. Aloe works with the skin, not against it. When ginger, lemon peel, and aloe come together, they form a combination that supports aging skin instead of shocking it. This is where we create a gentle, infused oil. Using a mild oil like extra virgin olive oil, these ingredients are warmed slowly so their benefits move into the oil. Nothing aggressive, no strong smells, just time and patience. Once infused, this oil can be applied to the face, neck, hands, or chest, areas where seniors often feel dryness first. Many people describe the feeling as comforting rather than greasy. If you're finding this helpful so far, take a moment to like the video. It helps other seniors find content like this. And if you've ever used natural oils on your skin before, leave a comment. Your experience matters here. In the next part, I'll show you why we don't throw anything away after making this oil, and how the leftovers become a second gentle skin treatment. After the infused oil is ready, something important happens that most people overlook. Inside the jar, you're left with ginger pieces, lemon peel, and aloe pulp. Many people would throw this away without thinking. But for seniors, this leftover blend still holds value. In fact, it becomes the foundation for a second skin treatment that is often even gentler than the oil itself. This is where a lot of older adults feel the difference. Even after infusion, the pulp still contains antioxidants, natural enzymes, and soothing plant compounds. When treated the right way, it becomes a soft, calming face mask that refreshes the skin without harsh scrubbing or chemicals. That matters, especially after 60. As skin ages, it becomes thinner and more sensitive. Aggressive exfoliation can cause redness, irritation, or discomfort. This mask works differently. It supports the skin instead of stressing it. To prepare it, the leftover blend is simply loosened with a small amount of aloe gel or clean water and blended into a creamy paste. Nothing complicated, nothing technical, just enough to make it smooth and easy to apply. When this mask touches the skin, the first thing many seniors notice is how calm it feels. There's no burning sensation, no sharp reaction, just a light, natural tingle that fades quickly. The skin often feels cooler, softer, and more relaxed within minutes. This kind of mask works well for dullness, dryness, and uneven tone. It's especially helpful for seniors whose skin feels tight or uncomfortable after washing. And it's not limited to the face. Many people apply it to the neck, hands, or chest, areas that often show dryness and age more quickly. If you've ever avoided face masks because your skin reacted badly in the past, this is the kind of treatment many seniors feel comfortable trying. If that's you, leave a comment and let us know. You're not alone, and your experience helps others feel more confident. Now let's talk about the next ingredient, because this one surprises a lot of people. Rice. Plain kitchen rice has been used in skincare for generations, especially in traditional routines passed down quietly over time. Rice contains B vitamins that support skin cell renewal, minerals that help calm irritation, and natural starches that create a soothing, cooling effect on the skin. For seniors over 60, rice is valuable because it's gentle. It doesn't strip the skin of moisture. It doesn't leave that tight, dry feeling many products cause. Instead, it supports softness. When cooked rice is blended into a smooth, porridge-like texture and mixed with aloe vera, it becomes a hydrating mask that works well for aging skin. Simple, affordable, and familiar. This rice and aloe mask is especially helpful for dry or flaky areas, crepey skin on the cheeks or under the eyes, and skin that looks tired even after resting. Many seniors notice their skin feels smoother and more comfortable after using it consistently. There's no peeling, no tingling, no harsh action, just nourishment. This mask can be used 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how your skin feels. Some seniors use it in the morning for a fresh, clean feeling. Others prefer it in the evening when they can relax. If you're finding this helpful, take a moment to like the video. It helps more seniors find content like this. And if you've ever heard of rice water or rice masks before, leave a comment and tell us where you first learned about it. We love hearing those stories. What matters most is not doing everything at once. Aging skin responds better to steady care than aggressive routines. These treatments are meant to fit into your life, not complicated. In the next part, we'll put everything together into a simple weekly routine and talk about how seniors can care for their skin with intention, not pressure. Now that you have both the infused oil and the gentle masks, the most important question is how to use them in a way that feels sustainable. After 60, skin does not respond well to pressure or overdoing things. It responds best to consistency and care. A simple routine is often enough. In the evening, after washing your face, the infused oil can be applied lightly to the skin. A few drops are enough. Gently press it into the face, the neck, or the backs of the hands. These areas often lose moisture first and benefit from extra comfort. Many seniors enjoy using the oil before bed because it feels calming and allows the skin to rest overnight. Once or twice a week, the rice and aloe mask can be used for hydration and softness. This works well in the morning for some people, especially if the skin feels dry or tight after waking up. Others prefer using it in the evening as part of a quiet routine. There is no strict rule. The goal is to listen to your skin. The ginger, lemon peel, and aloe mask can be used as a weekly treatment. Think of it as a moment of care rather than a task. Apply a thin layer, sit comfortably, and let it rest on the skin for a short time. There's no need to rush. This mask is meant to refresh the skin gently, not push it. Don't forget areas like the chest and hands. These parts of the body often show signs of aging early, yet they're easy to overlook. Applying the same gentle care there can make a noticeable difference in how the skin feels. Because these remedies are made with fresh, natural ingredients, proper storage matters. The infused oil should be kept in a clean, airtight glass container and stored in a cool, dark place. This helps preserve its quality. The mask should be stored in the refrigerator and used within a few days. Always take a moment to check the smell and texture before reusing. Freshness is important. Making small batches is usually best. It keeps everything simple and ensures the ingredients stay effective. One of the advantages of natural remedies is that they're easy to make again when needed. If you're finding these tips useful, consider liking the video. It helps us continue sharing gentle, senior-focused content. And if you started thinking about how you might fit one of these routines into your week, leave a comment. Even small changes are worth sharing. Now, I want to speak directly to something many seniors feel, but don't always say out loud. Aging changes the skin. That is natural. Lines appear, texture shifts. The skin may not bounce back the way it once did. But discomfort, dryness, and neglect do not have to be accepted as the cost of aging. At No Pill Zone, we believe skin care for seniors should be respectful. It should support the skin you have today, not punish it for changing. Gentle ingredients like ginger, aloe, lemon peel, rice, olive oil, and avocado have been used quietly for generations because they work with the body rather than against it. This is not about trying to look younger than you are. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin. It's about maintaining softness, hydration, and a sense of care. Take time for yourself when you use these treatments. Sit somewhere peaceful. Have a cup of tea. Let the oil absorb while you rest. Let the mask do its work while you breathe and relax. These moments matter. If this video helped you or reminded you that self-care is still important after 60, consider sharing it with another senior. Many people are quietly looking for gentle solutions like this, but don't know where to start. And before you go, leave a comment and tell us which remedy you're most curious to try first. Your message might encourage someone else to take better care of their skin too. Because after 60, self-care is not about vanity. It's about comfort, dignity, and respect for the life you've lived.